There's a principle in security called defense in depth. The idea is to provide layers of defenses, so when one defense fails, another continues to protect you in its place. So there are three main types of defenses you can think of. So prevention is the first. This, for example, can be if you encrypt your files and make sure that the key or password isn't available. It's a prevention defense to stop people compromising those files and accessing confidential information. The next is detection. Detection could be you set up something called a canary, which is planting a deliberate trap so that a hacker or malware triggers this canary or trap, so you're notified that something is amiss. And the next is recovery. Recovery is like backup, or having the ability to recover a lost file or a lost account. The principle is what you cannot prevent, you detect. What you cannot detect, you recover from. Through the course, we will employ the principles of defense in depth, having multiple defenses at each stage on assets we want to protect. This isn't complex. It's simply a case of changing your behavior maybe if needed, and using the right technology in the right place to provide you with that defense in depth approach.